Well, have you ever wondered why the Earth keeps getting hotter every year? Why storms seem stronger, floods happen more often, and climate change is now affecting millions of lives? But wait, what if I told you that one Filipino scientist helped the world understand what's happening to our planet?
Oh, hello there everyone! Are you ready for another video? But wait, in case some of you don't know me, well, my name is Adrian P. Pachente. And today, welcome to One Filipino, One Mission, and One Global Impact. And for our today's agenda, I'm taking you on a journey to discover one of the Filipino scientists who made a global impact through science. Amazing, right? And the scientist we're talking about is Josefino Kumisu. Well, who is Josefino Kumisu? Let's find out. Well, Josefino Kumisu is a Filipino climate scientist and a senior researcher at NASA. His field is climate science, which focuses on understanding Earth's climate, environmental changes, and of course, how human activities affect our planet. Also using satellite technology, he studied that Arctic and Antarctic, two of the coldest and most important regions on Earth. Can you imagine that? Kapwa natin Filipino helping the world understand climate change through science and technology. Sounds amazing and fascinating, right? Also, one of Josefino Comiso' major contribution was his research on polar ice. In 2002, he published a study titled A Rapidly Declining Perennial Sea Ice Cover in Arctic. In this study, he discovered the Arctic sea ice was shrinking at an alarming rate, around 9% every decade. In 2003, his research showed that the temperature in the Arctic were rising faster than expected. And in 2008, he co-authored another groundbreaking study called Accelerated Decline in the Arctic Sea Ice Cover, which confirmed that the melting of polar ice was happening even faster than scientists previously believed. Well, these studies became strong scientific evidence that climate change is very real. But what makes Josefino Kumisu truly inspiring is the impact of his work. Why? Because his research helps scientists, governments, and environmental organizations better understand climate change and create solutions for it. And even here in our country, which is the Philippines, his work truly matters. As polar ice melts, levels rise. And for an island nation like the Philippines, that means greater risk of flooding, stronger typhoons, and damage to coastal communities. So, even if his research was conducted thousands of kilometers away, its impact reaches all of us. His work doesn't just explain what's happening to our planets. It helps protect lives and shape the futures. Well, you ask, is Josefino Kumisu truly important to our lives? Well, for me, Josefino Kumisu is very important. Bakit ko nga ba nasabi ito? Because he proves that Filipinos can make a global impact through science, not just in science, but also in other fields. Filipinos are very hardworking people. That is why many countries envy our country. Also, he reminds us that science is not only about discovering facts, but also it is about using knowledge to protect people, the environment, and also the future generations. And as for me, as students studying in Polytechnic University of the Philippines, or also known as an scholar ng bayan, his story inspired me to believe that even small action backed by knowledge and passion can create real change in the world. Well, I hope that you have learned new knowledge about Josefino Kumisu. a Filipino scientist who excel in science and help the world understand why climate change is happening. Again, this is one Filipino, one mission, and one global impact. Once again, my name is Adrian P. Pasyente. Always remember to protect and care for the environment. Thank you and see you on the next episode. Bye!
Oras lang sambahin ang ngalan mo, para mabuhay habang buhay sa puso't isipan mo. Sino pa ako para mapansin mo? Mga